Construction isn't just about projects. It's about managing the complex financial workflows that define project success. Every job has unique costs that must be tracked with precision, ensuring profitability isn't left to guesswork. With Acumatica Construction Edition, project data seamlessly flows into your financials, giving you real-time visibility and control. With one powerful solution, you have endless possibilities for smarter decision-making. Managing multiple construction projects across various job sites is no easy task. Each project presents unique challenges, making coordination and control extraordinarily complex. With Acumatica's role-based dashboards, every team member gets a personalized homepage, ensuring quick access to relevant data. This helps everyone do their jobs well, on time, and in sync. Support staff initiate opportunities, craft proposals, and submit bids, seamlessly transforming them into active projects. On-site project managers and workers rely on mobile devices to access and manage real-time project details, keeping everything on track. Project costs automatically flow to accounting and service teams, streamlining the management of multiple project budgets. And for executives, real-time reporting delivers a clear view of both project and company profitability. Let's explore how Acumatica helps you manage costs efficiently while keeping a close eye on financial performance. When setting up a project in Acumatica, whether from an estimate, opportunity, or template, data automatically populates the relevant fields. Here you can manage budgets, enable workflows like change orders, and track production data. Billing and allocation settings offer standard options, including progress, time and materials, fixed price, unitary, and milestone billing. Plus, Acumatica's flexibility enables fully customized billing and allocation rules. Labor, equipment, and subcontracts are tracked within the cost budget. As the project progresses, expenses, such as checks and approved invoices, are updated instantly, ensuring that every detail is accurately reflected in every line item. Billing follows the rules you define, whether applied within the project or externally. In this example, a pro forma or draft invoice requires approval before it can be converted into an invoice. The approver receives an email or mobile notification to review the invoice and either approves or rejects it, ensuring a smooth and efficient process. Change order management provides finance teams with a clear overview of how budget adjustments impact overall project costs. Easily track and manage retainage amounts directly from the Invoices tab, and click into any invoice to process payments in just a few steps. Need to review commitments? Access purchase orders and subcontract agreements effortlessly. You can pay invoices here or in the Accounts Payable workspace. Work in Progress, or WIP reports, offer insights into both project progress and financial performance. Use WIP reporting to gather and analyze key metrics with data broken down by cost codes and project tasks, or by tasks alone. Security settings define access to project data based on a person's role and clearance level, ensuring efficient and informed operations. With Acumatica Construction Edition, financial clarity meets project execution. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to insights that empower smarter decisions. Because in construction, success isn't about what you build. It's defined by the financial precision that keeps projects on track. Contact us today to schedule your personalized demonstration.